Slime. Ria! Oh, hi, Sarah. I love your rainbow slime. Let's share it and play together. Maybe next time. Sorry. Next time? But I want